Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sherry's creative cooking session. So, what I'm going to do today is another HelloFresh item. I know it's been a while since the last time you saw me, but been very busy. But anyway, so what we have today is we're going to make crispy cheddar Frico cheeseburgers. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna make. And so we have all of our ingredients that came in the bag, HelloFresh. We have the beef here, ground beef. We have our cheddar, tomatoes. The ingredients is isn't this cute? This little thing of ketchup. I love that, little tiny things. Again, the HelloFresh serves 2 people. So every meal that I purchase every 2 weeks, it serves 2 people. So, like I said before, I get a lot of meals out of it, out of what I get. So, anyway, so here's the other ingredient here. Has my name written all over it. Cha-ching, cha-ching, Sherry, Bowberry, Sherry vinegar right here. Come, isn't that cute? Cute little bottle. And we have our onion. It's our red onion. Oh, telephone ringing. And then we have some broccoli here. Okay? So I'll be right back with you once I get things starting to rolling. Peace. See you in a little bit. Okay, we're back. Okay, I'm getting ready to, I've already put the broccoli in the oven. It says it's going to be roasted broccoli. So I've already did that. That's in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. I think I got about 5 minutes left. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the onion jam, which is kind of interesting. So on a medium-high heat, we're going to add the onions. Okay, I've already chopped up the onions, tomatoes. I took out the burger meat. So we're going to do the onions here. And just to keep in mind, whenever you're dealing with meat, in case you don't know, when you're handling meat, you always want to try to wash the surface of your cooking board afterwards and wash your hands. So let me see what we got here. Do the onions. Just a little drizzle of oil, olive oil. So we're going to let that cook. Add the onions. We're going to toss that for about 5 or 6 minutes. And while that's happening, we're going to do the sherry vinegar. It's only 1 tablespoon. It's saying add 1 teaspoon of sugar. So let me see. I think I got. Let me put that in there. Oh, I think I can use 1 more pack. That's about a half a teaspoon. Do this. Oh, smells so good. Okay, so we got that. So let me get this teaspoon, another pack of sugar here. 1 more pack. Hope everybody's having a good Monday. This is going to be my lunch and dinner. So we're going to get, okay, that's a good amount right there. So I like to clean as I go. Toss that in the little bag. Okay, so we got this. Check my broccoli. Woo! Fogged up my glasses. Okay, still going good. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then it says we're going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of the sugar into this mix right here. And then we're going to let that simmer for a little bit simmer down now, remember that? So we're going to let that simmer until the liquid is nearly evaporated for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm going to put a little salt and pepper in that. So take that out. And we're going to get a bowl, so when that's ready, we get a little bowl. My bowls. My favorite bowl right here that I like to cooking. Oh, okay, here we go. So we got my bowl here. I think I'll put it over here. So let that. Onions is cooking good. Broccoli, I think, probably a few more minutes. Yeah, it looks until it gets a little crispy. So we're gonna do that. Okay, I think we're ready to add these other items. So we're gonna go ahead and do the sugar. And this is how you make caramelized, I'm gonna simmer that, bring that down a little bit. We're making onion jam. That's what this is. So we're gonna do a tablespoon of that. See what this thing say. Need reading glasses. Oh, tablespoon, quite a bit. So we're gonna do that. Woo! Sound like I'm really doing something right there. All right. Make sure I got all my ingredients. Got my vinegar, got my sugar. Simmer until liquid is nearly evaporated. Oh, so this is how we do this. So I guess when you want caramelized onions, then we can put some, you know, like with the caramel, I guess. We put a little something, I don't know. But anyway, right now we're making the onion jam. So we're gonna do this. It looks good. Let me see if I can show it to you. Oh, see if I can show it to you. Ooh. Can you see that? Looks pretty good. Turn that right there. Okay, so we got that. I've already diced up my tomatoes, and I don't think it's much more to do to this. This seems pretty easy. Okay, so the next thing is once I do that, let that, I think all the liquid pretty much evaporated. Give it 30 more seconds. I'm gonna put it in that bowl. And next we're gonna make the cheddar frico. Hope I pronounced that correctly. Lightly grease another baking sheet. So I'm gonna take my broccoli out here and put that in something. Oh yeah, like crispy little. I never put my broccoli in the oven like that by itself on a baking sheet, but here's my broccoli. Looks pretty good. They're not sticking or nothing. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put that on. Shake this on this other little plate here. Yeah, good job. That looks good. Okay, oh, one more. Nothing wrong with eating a little bit in between. Okay, so I sprinkle a little salt and pepper on here. But just a little, just a little. So I'm gonna get this off. This baking sheet. So we gotta put something else on here. So I'm gonna use that baking sheet. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grease the baking sheet a little bit more. And then we're gonna place the cheddar on the sheet in 2 even piles. Interesting. And then we're gonna bake it in the oven until the edges get crispy for about 5 to 7 minutes. Ooh, that's scary. Because I'm thinking, so let me put a lot of oil because I don't want this cheese to stick. So put a little bit there. And then we gotta cook the patties next. So, let's see, where's my, oh, there's my scissors. Scissors here. Okay, so we're gonna put 2 even piles. I guess this is gonna be put on the burger. So make 2 little piles. Okay. That looks pretty good. Try not to do too much cheese these days because, you know, over 40 does some things to you. So here we go. See if you see that. See, 2 little piles of cheese. We'll go ahead and stick it in here. Turn that around, make this even. So they said that's gonna take like 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm hoping that comes out perfect. I've never done that before either, so kind of interesting. So we're going to, let's see. The next is cook the patties and toast the buns. Toast the buns. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, let's go ahead and get this. So we're gonna heat a little, do some more oil in the pan here. I'm gonna use the same pan since it was just onions in here. So it might add a little bit of flavor to the burger. Up. So, Erykah Badu. Okay, great. Alexa, volume 10. Pick it up a little bit. Uh-oh. Going back, New Jack. Teddy Riley. It's just a fantasy. All right, so I'm just gonna split this right down the middle. Now, so keep it simple. See what we're doing here? Got my little, that's easy. See? Yeah, I got that little circular right there. So we got the little patty there. Okay. So, as again, I'm gonna wash my hands. A little here. Paper towels on that one. So we got this. So the next is we're going to have, we got to meat. It says add a little bit of pepper, salt and pepper again, salt and pepper, coming. I don't like do too much salt. So let's do a little bit of salt and pepper. Think it's in there. Okay, so we got that all over with salt and pepper. So let's flip it over. Get the other side. Just a fantasy. Magazine. What's that song really about? I have no idea. Okay, so season that. Boom, boom, boom. Add to the pan. Let's get this party started. This is the main ingredient here. So, think it's gonna pop on me? I don't like popping stuff. Okay. Not too bad. So 3 to 6 minutes. 3 to 6 minutes on both sides. Meanwhile, place the buns. That's a fantasy. Move that salt out the way. So we got that going. And we're going to put the buns in the oven. Ooh, the cheese is going. The cheese is going. Cheese is doing its thing in there. Okay, so it looks pretty good. As long as it don't stick, we good. So wait till it get brown on the edges. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna stick these buns in there. Put that on. Ooh, put it on the edge. Put it on the edge right there. Okay. So I put the buns in the oven. I'll let you all see that in a minute. It's getting brown around the edges, so it's starting to look pretty good. Toss this in the here. All right. I think we finished this. And get a spatula right here for the burgers. And it just says 3 to 6 minutes per side. So I'm going to pause for the cause, and we'll be right back and finish off the meal. Thanks for joining me. Down to the end, the finale. So I'm preparing the last bit here. So, see, we got my burger. Let's see if you can see it. Okay, got my caramelized, or the onion jam. That's what it's called, onion jam. My other little, what is it called? The cheddar frico is underneath my tomatoes there. That came out pretty good. That looked pretty good. So I'm about to put that on top of the burger. And let's see here. So I'm gonna put this on top. Boom, boom. Or maybe I think I'm gonna put the tomatoes on first. Put that on. Woo. All over. Put the little thing right there, the topping. It looks kind of cute, right? Looks big. Put that. I always gotta squish it down so it can at least fit in my mouth. And then I will see how this tastes in a minute. Let's see if I can get this set up so you can see me take a bite out of crime. Here. Let's see. Right here. Oh, I'm trying to get adjusted. Okay, here we go. See if we can get it real quick. Oh, sorry. So let's see if we can get this. Don't laugh at me, whoever's back there. Probably somebody's laughing. So I'm just going to take a little bite and see what it tastes like. Let me get my fork here so I can have a little bit of the broccoli, which I know is still good. Nice and crunchy there. I'm going to take a little bite of this, and then I'm going to sit down and enjoy my meal. But I'm going to take a little bite, see what this tastes like. Ready? Let's see. I felt a little heat on the stove. I thought I was going to burn my arm off. Really good. Y'all have a great Monday, great rest of the week. Thanks for joining me. Sherry's Creative Cooking. Bye.